Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you become a VIP in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to become VIP in Bitget is both very easy and hard at the same time, because just like other platform, you cannot buy the VIP into Bitget. But what you have to do is kind of similar to buying without paying. Now, in order to know, just simply go to your profile and tap into this VIP option. And after going into the VIP option, you will get to see this option of fee schedule, and you just simply need to wait for your ID to load. Now, as you can see here, I am VIP 0 and it says meet the following requirements to upgrade to VIP 1. It means if I want to upgrade my VIP to 1, I have to complete this task into here. First task is current day's assets, which I have to trade 30,000 USDT, or I can choose 5 lakh USDT in spot. I can choose between any these options, or there are so many other options to do. I can choose between these options, and whenever I complete any one of these, I'll become VIP 1 and I will get some certain benefits that would be mentioned into each VIP sections. Otherwise, if you'd like to check any other VIP, such as I have shown you the example of VIP 1, if you scroll down in this page, you will get the requirements of VIP 2 and also the benefits. Similarly, you can check between 3, 4, 5 till 7. There are 7 standards of VIP, and after that you can also read all of the details about VIP. Just simply make sure to read everything, because it might include some things that might affect your trading and your whole career on trading. So I'd like you to read everything that is mentioned in here. But about upgrading your VIP, it is very simple. You just simply have to read the task, and if you can do the amount of trading that they mentioned, and you can upgrade your VIP. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.